Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we provide tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your iPhone. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue that many iPhone users face, which is the inability to receive phone calls. So in this video, we will guide you through some easy troubleshooting solutions for iPhone 14 Pro users who can't receive phone calls. First solution, check the signal strength. It is important to do this because when it comes to calls and texts, your device is required to have a decent reception. A weak or poor signal could be the main reason why your phone is unable to receive phone calls. Make sure that the signal strength is strong and stable. You can do this by checking the signal indicator on the status bar of your iPhone. You may move to an area with good reception if your device is only getting 2 bars or less signal. However, if that's not the issue, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, remove and reseat the SIM card. If the signal strength is good but you still can't receive incoming calls, it's time to remove and reinstall your SIM card. This simple tweak can help refresh the SIM card system and fix network-related glitches. To do this, gently push the SIM removal tool to eject the SIM tray and then pull it out to access the SIM card. Remove the SIM card and examine it for any visible signs of damage or if the connectors are dirty. After that, place the SIM card back into the slot in the same orientation before you removed it. Reinsert the SIM tray and push gently until it clicks into place. Wait for your iPhone to read the SIM card and then try to see if it can now receive phone calls. Third solution, toggle the airplane mode on and off. Another simple and effective solution is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This trick works by simultaneously turning off the phone's wireless features and then turning them back on again. This process can help resolve various types of wireless issues. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings and then toggle the switch to turn airplane mode on. After a few seconds, toggle the switch to turn airplane mode off again. Wait for your iPhone to re-establish signal from the cellular network, and then try to see if the problem is fixed. If still not, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, update the carrier settings. Apart from iOS and app updates, carrier settings on your iPhone 14 Pro also receive separate updates called Carrier Settings Update. These updates are issued by your carrier periodically and are primarily intended to maintain and enhance network-related services on your device. To check for new carrier updates, tap on Settings. Tap General. Tap About. Scroll down to the carrier section and see if a new carrier update is available for your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install any carrier settings update available. Fifth solution, reset network settings on your iPhone. If none of the above solutions work, you may need to reset network settings on your iPhone 14 Pro. This process will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and cellular settings. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app and then tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the action. The network settings reset will take just a few seconds to complete, and after that, your iPhone 14 Pro should be able to receive phone calls. However, if the issue persists, then it could be a network-related problem and you might need to call your service provider. And there you have it. We hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.